Right, here we've got Daniel on the front foot. So Daniel, I'm just going to check the speed, 60 mile an hour and off stump. I just want your head still, yeah? Working hard on that head still and eyes level. Right, in you go. You're getting across, Joel, inside the line. Well played, Daniel. Daniel, keep that head still for me, head still. Well played, Daniel, brilliant. Well played, Daniel, brilliant. Lovely. Good, wait for it. Well played. Brilliant, Daniel. Keep being patient. Good. Wait for the loose delivery. All right. Nice timing, though. Body sharp. Good. Lovely shot. Wait for the half volley, Daniel. Keep picking length. Pick the length. Well played. Lovely position. Good. Good. Leave that one out the way. That head still, Daniel, with the trigger. Head still. Right, just wait for it a bit longer. It's the right shot, just hit it a bit early. Good. Keep working. Right, a little bit quicker, Daniel, 65, yeah? Well watched. Good. Keep sideways. Daniel, we're only looking to hit it square when it's outside our front pad. If it's on the inside of that pad, then we look to hit it through mid-on. Good, well watched. Working. Shot, 4 runs. Good shot. Shot, Joel. Taking off that front foot. Get out there, Daniel. Get out there with that front pad. Well played. Good. Very good. Keep that head still for me. Just trigger with your feet. It's all right. Well done. Good leave. Good. Nice shot, Daniel. You steered it because it was fuller. Right, 3 to go. Good. Get forward though, Joel. If it nips back, I want it to hit you on the pad so you get away with an LBW. Right, good. And swap. Right, I did your whole bag.